Harley Davidson discharged its most current motor and cruiser stage, the Milwaukee 8, and how it will be standard issue in the greater part of its 2017 touring family. Christmas came ahead of schedule to the workplace. I dither to depict the new age power plant as only an engine. However, to hear HD let it know, the Milwaukee 8 sounds more like an inward burling ensemble led by throttle bending. That is on account of the general objective wasn't simply enhancing engine execution. Harley looked long and hard at really overhauling its visiting background, focusing on commotion lessening, warm decrease, and additionally suspension solace and execution, which we'll dive further into soon. For the present, we will concentrate entirely on HD's new powertrain, drivetrain. I sat down with Alex Bosmowski, Harley's central designer of new items, and Paul James, Harley's executive of cruiser item arranging, to get the full story on the fresh out of the plastic new Milwaukee 8. Discuss the beginning of Milwaukee 8. The beginning was this: it was time. We had the twin cam for quite a while. We truly received as much in return as we were going to. It's an incredible entertainer, regardless we have it in the lineup. When we were going for another visiting stage, we needed something 5 stages on top of things, not 1. When we focused on exploring new territory, we began with the client and truly did some spirited looking. We had clients saying they needed something like V-Rod. We searched for shared opinion between what our ebb and flow client base needed and what new clients needed, and we discovered it. There were openings at the outset for littler dislodging, higher revving plans. However, when you begin contemplating Harley's look, sound, and feel, building up the greater part of that winds up plainly difficult in a notable visiting stage. We began with tuning into clients over the planet. We had an extremely strict strategy. We took a gander at what might truly upgrade the client encounter. Configuration surveys and cross-useful space holders speaking to benefit, promoting, producing, and styling became possibly the most important factor. I didn't discuss every one of the highlights we put in to make Milwaukee 8 more exact from a producer's perspective. It's a short time period from when we say what we will do to generation. We have around 1.5 million miles on this item as of now. This is the most intensely dissected and tried item we've ever done.